In a world where your Samsung refrigerator goes on the fritz after a power surge or a power drop and repeatedly blinks 85°C, Samsung, that's not 85 degrees Celsius, or your food would be almost boiling. The good news is, your refrigerator is still working, and your freezer is as well, as do your ice maker and your water dispenser. But the old method of resetting your refrigerator by holding these two awkwardly spaced buttons together for 3 seconds no longer works. In a world where your trick no longer works, what must you do? Now you must unplug your refrigerator, or find the circuit breaker and flick it off for a few seconds. Unfortunately, our idiot electricians labeled our circuits incorrectly, leaving us in the dark. After resetting our oven, clocks twice, and finally finding the correct circuit, we were able to flick it and turn our refrigerator off and on. The good news is, once it came back on, the error code was gone. Our Samsung refrigerator was happy once again.